Oh, we're on. Oh, we're on. Today, we are going to see if we can catch a flatty on one of these, eh? I'm pretty sure it's been done before, but I'm intrigued. Let's go, fuck, colors of water. Let's go red. Let's see if we can crack a flatty. I might cut a little bit off, actually. Let's see how we go, eh? Boom. Let's see if we can actually do this, eh, lads? Give it a good crack. Put some of my special sauce on that. Matty reckons he's gonna be down soon. We just finished work, so thought we'd come out here to Redcliffe and give it a good crack. Boom. Let's see how we go. Let's see if we can catch something. This is my secret spot, lads. Allen snake lollies. See if we can catch us a flatty, boys. Boom. Oh, we're getting bites. Oh no. Give us something. Oh, what a cast, boys. Come on. Oh, I just got a good bite, boys. A good bite. Oh, we're on. Oh! We're on. Oh my god, it's fucking worked, boys. How good's that? Oh, what do we got? Don't. Oh, you mother... Alright, something ended up taking that, so... We've changed to a green one. Almost forgot. Should probably chuck some of that special sauce. I just caught my first flathead of the day on this one here. So, thought I'd give a green Allen snake lolly a whack. Hopefully we're on right now, lads. Let's see if we can crack another one, lads. Oh, there's some weight on those, eh? Oh, what a cast. Spot over there. Spot X. Casted it in spot X. Full sweating my ball bags off too. Oh, we're on, boys. We're on. Come on. Don't lose it. Oh, what have we got? Oh, a little flatty. Look at that, lads. How good's that? How good is that, boys? Hey? Oh, yeah. Not the biggest flatty, but still a flatty on a Allen snake. You're probably wondering why I'm using these clippers is because every time I handle these little ones, holy shit, do I get spiked. See you later, mate. Yeah, buddy. How good's that, boys? Look at that. Proof in the pudding. Mind my shoes. I just finished work. Thought I'd come out for a fish. I know this has been done before, but I thought I'd give it a crack anyway. Oh, how good's that, lads? Boom.